Oh, come on. Perfect. Oh, stay, please. Oh. Holy crap, dude. What is going on, Joy fam? So really quick before the video starts, I want to say thank you so much. Guys, I did it. I hit 1 million subscribers. I'm so psyched about this. I'm going to be celebrating in my live stream tomorrow where I'll be spending 24 hours in a claw machine. Guys, I'm going to be doing free giveaways. It's going to start at 3 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. That's Arizona time. So you guys do not want to miss it. Come check it out. Come say hi. Maybe chill out for me. You guys won't have to spend the whole 24 hours with me, but at least I'll be able to see some of you and interact with a lot of you guys. And if you guys want to win some free stuff, make sure you stop by. I'll be giving something away every few hours. Guys, thank you so much for subscribing. I'll be doing 2 giveaways now. I'll be picking the winner for the iPhone SX very, very soon. And then the iPhone XR giveaway is still going to be continued. And the only way you can win is subscribe now and turn on those bell notifications because you guys won't know when I'll be doing the giveaway. So it's up to you guys to stay alert and enter when possible. Thanks guys for watching the video, and I'll see you there. What is going on, Joy fam? We are back at the Prize Palace today. We are gonna be trying to win some cash in these cash bags. Guys, it says that you can win up to $1,000 cash, which is pretty crazy. We're gonna try to win as many as possible. I've got a lot of cash with me. I've actually got about $50 in ones and fives in my pocket. I've got $30 here, so I think I even have some more in my wallet, and I even have some quarters. So we've got a little bit of everything today. We're gonna put a 5 in. I'm just gonna go for it. Go big or go home here. All right, let's see what we can win here. The claws got grips, which is always a good sign. I like when claws are grippy. Let's try for this one right here. Right there. Oh. Come on. Oh my gosh, it's strong. Stay in there. Oh my god, barely. Nice. Wow. Oh. All right, let's see what's in here. Oh, just like last time. Another Tootsie Roll. These are like banks. You can take out this little part and put like money in it, but like I just eat the Tootsie Rolls. All right, we got a can of Tootsie Rolls. That's awesome. Let's keep trying. I want to see which bag of cash it's in. I'm trying to see which one looks more square in here the most. That one over there looks pretty rectangle shaped. Let's try for this one though. It's right by the chute. Oh my god. Oh, $1. Oh, nice. Wow. That's a 2 in a row. No way. That's insane. I think this one's, yep. Yeah, no. You can actually see through these a little bit if you look close. I might try to do that. We got 2, and we got $1, which is dope because put this back in the machine. Oh, there we go. Okay, well that was random. All right, we got 4 tries. Not bad. Try this. Ooh, maybe. Come on. No way. Stay in there. Oh my gosh! Again. Wow, this is really easy. Check this out. Another bag of Tootsie Rolls. All right. I actually like the bags more than the Tootsie Rolls. I think I always keep these in case I want to rob a bank or something, but we got more Tootsie Rolls. Let's keep playing this. This is actually really easy. Try right there. Oh, come on, maybe. Grab the cloth. Yes, stay in there. Oh my, ooh, that one was heavy. Do you see that? How it kind of just plopped in there? Let's go for that one again. I want to test the waters on this one. I want to make sure I am actually going for the one with cash in it though. So the only way we can find that out is if we pick it up. Oh, maybe. There we go. Oh, 2 in 1. Oh my god, we got it. Stay in there. Oh, nice. Okay, that one I know is a Tootsie Roll because I saw through the bag. But we got it out of the way. Nice. It is another Tootsie Roll. Let's go for this one. This one kind of looks like there might be something bigger in it. I don't know if that's just the way it's shaped or the air. Ooh, I don't know. That one's interesting. Let's put some more money in there. So far, we've done pretty good. We haven't lost too many times. But... Oh, just a little bit. Some money in here. Anything in there? Oh, Tootsie Rolls? Yep, just Tootsie Rolls so far. Right? Alright, we got a random mall customer come up. My videos are always live in like businesses, so you never know what will happen. Like most of the time, getting kicked out or getting someone yelling at you is kind of normal in my videos. Let's try that right there. Oh, come on, that looks oh my gosh, stay. Oh my gosh, barely. Nice. We didn't get any money, but nice, we got another one. Let's see. It's a Tootsie Roll for sure, because I already saw it in the bag. So yeah, we got another Tootsie Roll. All right, let's keep going. This one didn't pick it up as easy. Oh, come on, maybe. Grab the, oh, stay, oh my gosh. Now it's really easy. I wonder if I just went for some of this cash, like if it would even pick it up. Ooh, there's a 5 over there. You know what, actually, let's just go for this first. We'll grab some cash once we run out of tries, so we can put it back in the machine. Try right there. Come on. Ooh, stay. Oh my gosh, that looks heavy. That looks heavy. I think that might be the one. We may have found our winner right here. Hopefully we can win it. I might have to just drop it. Oh, I got an idea. I'm gonna drop it on this bag and I'm gonna try to grab some money with it, so that I win more than just a Tootsie Roll, because it's kind of a lame prize. Okay, grab cash. Come on. Oh, yes. Oh my God. Oh, we got $1. We literally got $1. Oh my God. What can I buy with this? I can buy like hot and spicy at McDonald's. This one looks easy, but I can already tell that's, we might go for that one too. Okay, let's go for this one again. This one just looks special from the start. Come on. Ooh, maybe. Oh, come on. Oh my, okay, that one's heavy. Oh my gosh. This is crazy, because now it's in the corner and this might be kind of hard to win.
Dead zone.
Yeah, we don't want to dead zone it. So let's, hopefully we can grab it out and pull it out here. Oh, perfect. Come on. Oh my, oh, you know what? I think we gotta grab it by
the loop.
Yeah, definitely. Oh no. Okay, this is not good. Here. So, ooh, come on, maybe. Oh my, that looks heavy. Come on. Oh, grab it by the cloth. Oh, it's pulling it up. Here. There we go. Come on. Oh my. It's lifting it up, just barely. I have one more try in here, but I'm gonna put another 5 in there anyways. Ooh, maybe if I swing it kind of in the corner. Oh, come on. Dig it out. Oh, oh my God. Dude, I think I can get that. I think I get here. Come over on this side maybe. I don't know, what do you think is a better angle? Over here or over there?
Let's just go right here.
All right. Fred's gonna go right there. He's gonna get this. I think I can pick this up. I moved it out just a little bit. Oh, come on. Perfect. Oh, stay, please. Oh, it's slipping. Stay in there. Yes, no way. All right. Heck yes. Let's take it out. Oh my God, dude, this is, all right. I'm not gonna spoil it right now, but this feels insane right now. Okay, I'm just gonna open it. This is gonna be crazy. It says you can win up to, it might be $1,000. I'm not sure. All right, here we go. We spent about $50 so far. So whatever. Holy crap, dude! No way! $500. I mean, that's not 1,000, but that's still really crazy. Oh my God, check this out, guys. Heck yes. I mean, I've actually won more from this machine before, but this is insane. Oh my God, this is all ones too. I'm gonna have to like deposit this. No way, that is crazy, guys. $500 from, are you kidding me? That's so crazy. I wonder if there's $1,000 in here though, because it says up to, so it might be another 500. Dude, that's insane. I mean, I've only spent about $100 because I have been playing this machine weekly throughout, but dang, that's insane. Check that, get a good thumbnail of this. Like, dude, $500, are you kidding me? That's so awesome. Heck yes. Well, I'm glad I really won this. Can't believe it. Dude, it was literally, guys, it was about to be dead zone. I was about to give up on it. After I spent like $60, I started regretting it, but I'm so glad that I didn't stop going for it. That's insane. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed it, let me know by liking the video. It helps a lot. Guys, don't forget to check out my cameraman's channel down in the description. You want to check that out, as well as my social media links that will be giving you hints to upcoming giveaways. So check it out, turn on those bell notifications. I'll see you guys next time, and thanks for watching.